Hi guys, welcome to Teachers In. So today we'll discuss about there are a lot of vacancy in CIPET. They are actually looking for assistant professor grade 1, grade 2 and grade 3. So let's go to their official website and we'll discuss there. Before I start, I would like to say our channel is fully dedicated to them, those who wants to be a good teacher, professor, lecturer in their future. Here we discuss all teachers related studies, competitive exams and jobs. So I'll request everyone to please subscribe our channel and follow our social media sites so that whatever notification will come, you will get it easily. So this is the official website of CIPET. So we'll go a little bit down. So we have to click here news and update. So more on news and update. If you go a little bit down, you can see here there is one advertisement call for application for assistant professor. So we'll click here. Then you can see here recruitment of assistant professor on contract basis. Date of notification 8/5/2021 and last date to apply 7/6/2021, means 7th June is the last date. Then we'll see the advertisement. Okay, so this is the advertisement. We'll zoom it. So this is the advertisement. You can see here recruitment of assistant professor on contract basis. CIPET invites application from a dynamic, result oriented and personal for the following positions purely on contract basis for the CIPET Chennai and other location. Okay, so you can see here assistant professor grade 3 plastic engineering and technology and chemical engineering. For grade 3 salary they have mentioned 45,000 per month. Then assistant professor grade 2 plastic engineering and technology and chemical engineering, for them salary is 55,000 per month. And plastic engineering grade 1 assistant professor grade 1 for plastic engineering and chemical engineering 65,000 per month. So for information on essential qualification and experience, rules and regulation and application form etc, please visit our website. The applications in the prescribed format along with the necessary enclosures should be sent in a sealed envelope to this address. So you have to send your application form to this address by speed post. The last date of receipt of application is 21/5/2021. So you can see here last date they have mentioned 21 May 2021. Okay, so what they have done now, they increase the last date. So we'll see the condom now. Recently they updated. You can see here reference is invited to the advertising number, this one, published in the Hindu and the Times of India Tamil Nadu edition 9th May 2021. You can see the date of this advertisement is 9/5/2021. So they are talking about the same advertisement. 9th May 2021, seeking application for the post of assistant professor on contract. The last date for the receipt of field application for the post assistant professor grade 1 to 3 for plastic engineering, technology and chemical engineering is extended to 7th June 2021. So previously it was like 21st May 2021. So now they increased to extended to 7th June 2021. So those who are interested for this position, so they can apply. And these are the details. If you go here, this notification, you can see the application form is here. So you can download this application form and you can attach your relevant documents like your experience and educational qualification, whatever. Then you can send to this address, whatever they have mentioned. Senior officer HR and admin, CIPET head office, TVK Industrial East, Ginti, Chennai 600032. So this is the address you have to send. So you can see here the last date is extended to 7th June 2021. So those who have missed out this opportunity, please apply for this position as soon as possible. So I'll give you the link in my description so you can access easily from there. So this is the details. So thank you, all the best.